If you don't like roller coasters but still love adventure, then Orlando is calling your name. Let's explore what makes this city so magical. Welcome to Orlando, Florida, a city where dreams come true and adventures are around every corner. From world-famous theme parks to hidden gems, Orlando has a treasure trove of experiences waiting for you. First stop, theme parks. Orlando's got the best of the best. Walt Disney World Resort is a must-see. With Magic Kingdom's Cinderella Castle, Epcot's Global Cuisines, Hollywood Studios' Star Wars Adventures, and Animal Kingdom's Pandora, it's a non-stop thrill ride. Next up, Universal Orlando Resort. Dive into the worlds of Harry Potter, Marvel superheroes, and Jurassic Park. And don't forget Volcano Bay's splashes and slides, but wait, there's more. SeaWorld Orlando and Legoland offer unforgettable shows and family fun. Picture yourself swimming with dolphins or building your Lego dreamland. Beyond the parks, Orlando's hidden gems await. Visit the Kennedy Space Center for a cosmic journey through space history. Or explore International Drive and Icon Park, where you can soar on a 400-foot observation wheel. And for nature lovers, Orlando's got you covered. Kayak through Wekiwa Springs, take a peaceful stroll around Lake Eola, or meet the Gators at Gatorland. So, are you ready to dive into the magic of Orlando? Hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. See you in Orlando.